What is my home worth when I sell it as is?
Well, that's a tough question. The real simple answer would be we're going to figure out what the house is worth. Let's say I come in and I totally tee it out. I fix it up real nice. And we're talking about a house that I'm going to buy, fix up, and sell. Okay, if I'm going to buy, fix up, and sell, that's different than a rental property, which we're going to look at it from more of a long-term view. But let's say I'm going to come in, buy, fix it up, and sell it. I'm going to take the actual after-repaired value, and then I'm going to multiply that by a factor that's going to take into account my holding costs. Obviously, when I sell it, I'll have to, pay some fees to do that. And I have to fix it up. So after I factor all those things into it, I come to a number. It's all numbers based at that point. It's not whether I like you or don't like you. And then that's the price. So it's pretty simple. Like I said, when I walk into the house, I'm going to look at it. I've been doing this for a long time. So I have a really good feel of what I'm looking at when I come in there. I'm not going to nitpick anything. If the house is dirty, cluttered, if it's got a lot of stuff in it, I don't care. There's no reason to feel embarrassed about any of it. I'm just looking at the house, to be honest.